Handbags here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, I do have another unboxing for you guys. This is a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So if you guys want to see the bag that I picked up, then please make sure to stay tuned. Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free to you. And to all my returning viewers, thank you guys so much for taking time out your busy day to tune into another unboxing, guys. Now, this particular unboxing is a Dooney and Bourke bag, but I picked it up off of the secondhand market. Now, I did purchase this from a seller off of Poshmark, guys. And this particular bag was a bag that I saw on DJ King's channel. I will make sure to leave her channel link down below if you're not familiar with her. She makes amazing content, guys, and you are absolutely going to love her channel if you're not already subscribed to her. Please make sure to let her know that I sent you guys over there to her. Okay, so while I give you guys a quick story on how I came about this bag, I am going to throw the unboxing up on the screen as well too. Now, I saw this beautiful bag on one of DJ King's Switch Out Saturday videos where she was sharing her Western tabby from Coach, and she did a quick comparison with two other bags, and one of the bags was a Dooney and Bourke bag. When I saw this particular bag, I knew I had to pick this bag up, so I went on the hunt from the secondhand market and I found it, y'all. Now, with that being said, so the bag that I did end up picking up off of Poshmark was this beautiful bag right here, y'all. It is called the Dooney and Bourke Florentine Saddle Bag, y'all, in the color black. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Now, before we get into the details of this bag, the seller did put a second bag in the box for me, and it is this bag. Now, it does look like it may be Florentine leather as well. I'm not sure the brand because it doesn't have it on the bag, but it does have the beautiful tool detail in here. It looks like it is a short shoulder. It has the leather scrap here, but it's a partial chain scrap as well too. It is a snap closure. It comes with two slip pockets as well. Now, I'm not sure if I am going to use this in any bag because you guys know I'm not crazy about middle compartments, but this is really cute. I thought about taking the chain scrap off and just keeping it in case I needed a quick little clutch or something, but it does have the rope detail in here on the side as well too, the braided detail, and I think this is really pretty as well. So kudos, thank you to the seller. Now let's get into this beauty right here, y'all. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Now, the seller did a really good job taking care of this bag. The only major issue was this little spot here on the front. Now, I did do a light cleaning on this bag with some leather cleaner. Now, normally when I get any of my bags, I always wipe it down with a Clorox disinfecting wipe, and it doesn't matter if it's Florentine, if it's a signature coated cotton canvas, it doesn't matter. I always do a quick wipe down to disinfect the bag. That's just me. It did not ruin the bag whatsoever. Once it finished drying, I did get my leather cleaner and I did clean the outside of the bag as well too. Now, it does have some love marks on it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick up on it, but it does have a little bit of scratches here and there throughout the bag. Nothing really major, but the leather on the bag, y'all, is super soft and broken in, and I just love that, y'all. I love that. Now this bag does come with the Dooney and Bourke leather duck patch here on the front. It does come with gold hardware as well too. I love the buckle detailing on the front of the bag as well too. Now it does have 2 front pockets here. They are large pockets as well. It is a snap magnetic closure, as you guys can tell. So here are the 2 large pockets here on the bag. They are trimmed in that beautiful red. As you guys can see, these pockets are huge. It does come with the Dooney and Bourke signature red lining in the interior of the bag. It does come with a shoulder crossbody scrap as well too. It is not detachable. It did have the 3-part scrap. This is the other part. I just took it off and made mine into a short shoulder because that's how I intend on carrying it. And then I did stuff the bag. It comes with the Dooney and Bourke zip and slip on the back wall. You do get that leather Dooney and Bourke patch. And then on the front, you do get a smaller slip pocket here and then a larger snap pocket here as well. And it does come with the key keeper as well too. And this key keeper does have the little leather tab on it as well. I know some of them do and some don't. I don't know if that's just because it's when the bag was made, that the older bags may have that and the newer bags don't. So I guess it just depends on the bag that you get. Now this bag does not come with any feet on the bottom, as you guys can see, but it does come with this large pocket on the back, and that pocket is lined in that red interior. This is a very large pocket. It goes all the way to the bottom of the bag, and it's the length of the bag as well too. And I know that a lot of people, when they first got this bag, they were saying that the little button here was really hard to open and close. But like I said, this bag has been loved on so much that you guys saw how easy that was for me to open up the button and to eventually close the button back up. Super easy, y'all. So absolutely love that. This bag, y'all, is just absolutely gorgeous, guys, and I'm so glad that I was able to get my hand on this bag off the secondhand market. There weren't a lot of these bags available on the secondhand market. I do want this in the natural color as well too. That color is absolutely gorgeous. If I find that one on the secondhand market, I'm definitely going to pick that up as well too in Florentine, because that color is just absolutely gorgeous, guys. And I think I'll be good if I'm able to get this in the natural as well, y'all. I'll be good. But yeah, if this bag happens to resurface back on I Love Dooney or Dooney.com within the next couple of years, I will be picking it up again as well too, because this Florentine is just absolutely gorgeous and it smells so good, y'all. I mean, it smells so good, and I'm really glad that I was able to find one that was in such good condition. Even the interior was in really good condition. I think the only spot that I had that I noticed on here, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that right there, and I think that that's just from the patch, because the patch is literally right there, and so is the spot. So I guess it's like the fabric rubbing up against the, I guess, the leather maybe, and that's what's causing that spot right there, or because it's sitting up against the leather here, I should say, on the bag. So when you close it and open it, I guess it's rubbing up against the leather, and that's what created the little spot. But other than that, the interior of the bag is in excellent condition. I picked up the Ellie in the pebble green off of QVC, and as you guys can see, this is what I would consider the smaller version of the saddle bag as well too. And This bag is in the color black. It is trimmed in that beautiful brown vachetta leather. It does have the Dooney and Bourke gold plate here on the front of the bag as well too. And it has a lot of the same features as the saddlebag. You do get the snap magnetic closure. You do get the 2 pockets here in the front. You get the 3-part adjustable crossbody strap as well too. It is not detachable. It does have the gold hardware as well throughout the bag. No feet on the bottom. You do get in the interior of this bag, you get a zipper compartment on the back wall with the Dooney and Bourke patch. That zipper is trimmed in that beautiful vachetta leather with the white stitching, and then you get 1 large slip pocket here on the front trimmed in that leather as well too. And then in the interior, you do get a key keeper as well too. Now on the back, you do get a large slip pocket that's the length of the bag, and it does go all the way down to the bottom as well too. So these 2 bags pretty much have the same exact features, except for this bag here only has a zipper compartment on the back wall, not a zip and slip like this one. Now, of course, you can tell from sizing that the saddlebag is definitely larger than the Ellie bag is. And then as far as lengthwise go, you can definitely tell that the saddlebag is probably at least an inch longer than the Ellie bag is. It is definitely taller as well too. And then as far as the depth of the bag goes, it definitely looks like the saddlebag holds more than the Ellie, of course, does as well too, y'all. Now, like I said, both of these bags are absolutely gorgeous bags, but I love this bag in Florentine. They did come out with the Ellie in Florentine as well too, but it sold out immediately, y'all, and I was only able to pick it up in the pebble green. Now, I thought this would scratch my itch for the saddlebag, but I've had this bag probably 2 years now, and I have yet to wear this bag. I have not worn it. It still has the tag on it, so I do plan on wearing it this fall and winter season, but I think it was because it wasn't the size that I wanted. I wanted the larger size in Florentine. I'm so happy that I have the saddlebag in my collection now, y'all. So happy. I do love the Ellie, but I think I love the saddlebag more. And like I said, if they bring this bag out, your girl is definitely going to pick it up again. If I can find it on the secondhand market in natural, I'm definitely going to do that as well, guys. Let me know down below, guys, if you were able to pick up the Florentine saddlebag when it dropped back in 2020. And if not, hopefully if you are checking for this bag, you will be able to find it on the secondhand market. Guys, like, this bag is gorgeous. Now, if you have more than one of these saddlebags in your collection, let me know that as well too, guys. What colors do you have this in, and how many do you have in your collection, guys? All right, guys, if you stuck with me to the end of this video, please make sure, if you're new here, to go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Please make sure to like this video, also share, leave a nice comment down below, and don't forget to click the bell, guys. That way you're always notified every time I upload a new video. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.